I use this combination of organic, ginger, garlic, and Vicks Vapor Rub if I have cold. So, I smash the ginger and the garlic, put it on my socks with my Vicks Vapor Rub, also massage on the sole sa ilalim ng ating paa, and then put a socks on it para overnight mag-relax ang tigas na ubo natin. I learned this from my grandma. So, until now, I had been asthmatic, but this is just the remedies that my grandma would give to me if I have asthma attack. So, I hope you have learned something from this video, and sana hindi masyado naka-depend tayo at sa ating mga anak na palaging may mga gamot tayong binibigay, so that we can improve or strengthen our immune system. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking. God bless everyone.